In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate forms with Jotform. It's a straightforward process and we'll walk through it together step by step. This is ideal for anyone looking to reach a broader audience by offering their forms in multiple languages. First, you'll need to head over to jotform.com and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to your account and specifically look for the My Form section. Here you'll see all the forms you've created. Go ahead and choose the form that you want to modify for translation. Next, we'll open the selected form in Form Builder. You can find this option easily once you click on the form you've chosen. Once inside Form Builder, your workspace will feel familiar. Now take a look at the top of your screen for an orange navigation bar. Click on the Settings option. After clicking Settings, you'll notice an option to show more options. Click on this to expand your menu possibilities. Now scroll down until you see the Form Language section. This is where the translation magic begins. Start by selecting the primary language of your form. This ensures that Jotform knows the current language, which helps in the accurate translation to other languages. Once you've set the primary language, locate and click on the Edit button next to Translations. Here's where you can start adding new languages. You'll see an option that says Add Form Language. Click on it. A list will appear with multiple languages for you to choose from. Select the language you'd like to translate your form into, and then click Add Form Language. With your chosen language now set, you'll be taken to the Field Translations tab. This is a critical step. You can edit the translations for each form field here. It's important to check and adjust any fields that remain untranslated, ensuring that all participants can understand the form easily. There is also an adjacent tab for translating form warnings. This ensures that all text appearing on your form, including any alerts and notifications, is in the desired language for your users. Before we wrap up, it's a good idea to preview your form. Click on Preview Form to see how the translated version looks. This gives you a chance to refine any translations before making the form live. Remember, any changes you make while editing are automatically saved by Jotform, so there's no need to worry about losing your work. Once everything looks good, know that the available languages will display conveniently in the upper right corner of your form. This feature makes it easy for users to switch between languages, enhancing accessibility. That's it, you're all set to provide your audience with a multilingual form experience using Jotform. Thank you for tuning in and happy form translating.